Wow. Pattern ABC capital
letter teaching, ABC small letter teaching, 1 to 3 number teaching.
Wow, worksheet book and contact tracker. Yes, sleeping line, standing line,
Sleeping line. These
activities, awesome book.
left slanting line, right slanting line,
and zigzag slide. Oh, left cursive line, right cursive line. Now color it and cursive. Upward cursive line,
downward
cursive line. And now activity, color and draw. Sliding line.
wavy lines, sleeping wavy lines.
Wow. Now calculate an activity. Awesome book for pre-nursery student. And right hand. Hey, snail picture. Wow. Learning and activity.
Draw and color.
And second book is
ABC capital letter tracing.
Practice. Yes. Wow. Worksheet also. At large. ABC, Q, Z, and small.
ABC small letter tracing.
Yes. Yes.
One, two, three number tracing.
Train.
Two, three, four worksheet books.